you doing, buddy?
Where'd you hear it? Bruce told it to me.
Huh?
Bruce came up with that. Where'd he hear it?
I don't know, probably just around. I mean, where does any dirty joke come from?
Hey, now Joe's right. There's a million of them. They gotta be coming from somewhere. I mean, somebody's gotta be making these things up. Well, who? I don't know. But haven't you ever wanted to find out?
Well, yeah, but how would anyone do that?
A quest, Joe. We go on a quest to find the source of the world's dirty jokes. Who's with me? Well, I'm with you.
Oh, what the hell? So am I.
And so began our journey to find the splendid source of off-color
Well, the
humor
guy's
as we
on.
know it. Our first
Now we
stop
can
was to
see
see
it.
Bruce.
Oh, hey, what's that shit? This is yellow.
Actually, we're not here to bowl. Remember where you heard that dirty joke before Quagmire?
Oh, that one? Oh, no, I'm not going to tell y'all that one here at the workplace. Too dirty.
Oh, you're done?
I'm going to have a mimosa and tell y'all then.
Look, you blame.
Listen, buddy, I have a minute, alright?
It turned out the joke already had quite
It's already 58, 59. Oh, there's a minute. Minute 30, alright.
Hartman heard it from Angela. Angela from Opie. Opie from Herbert. Herbert heard it from Tom Tucker. Tucker heard it from Bender on Futurama, oddly enough for some reason. Bender heard it from Al Harrington. Harrington from REO Speedwagon. REO Speedwagon saved us several stops as they too had backtracked the joke to some extent. But when their trail had led to a bartender in Virginia, they had given up, much the way the world had given up on them. In fact, just to kick him a couple extra bucks, here's 5 seconds of Time for Me to Fly.
No, don't! All the money goes to my bitch ex-wife! Can you play our song?
Okay, lead singer from Asia.
We can't go to Virginia, Peter. Barney and Lois planned that couple's weekend to Maine. We're supposed to leave in the morning.
Yeah, Peter, we've looked long enough. Maybe the joke doesn't have a source.
Don't be stupid. Somebody had to have made it up, and we're going to find out who. Besides, this will be way more fun than hanging out in Maine with the wives sitting around the campfire listening to Lois tell grocery stories. Oh, Peter, you should have been there. Uncle Ben's converted brown rice was on sale.
Alright, guys, I'm waiting until 3 minutes, so
$12 to 3.
have fun.
I don't know how much rice is, but you know what I'm saying.
Okay, Peter, I've got the directions. Head north on the turnpike. That's going to be the quickest route to Maine.
Sure, Lois.
Say, ladies, I was wondering if you could tell me, what was childbirth like?
Oh, Glenn, you have no idea. It's something no man could understand. Think of the most intense pain you've ever felt and imagine feeling that for hours. Well, and then by the 8th month, I had hemorrhoids that hung like bunches of grapes. And then they said I was 4 centimeters diameter. They didn't think I was far enough, but I was like, I can tell you.
Shit, maybe 4 minutes.
And that's when Chris was born.
Gosh, that's all so fascinating. Let me ask you something else. Have you girls ever worked in an office with other women who you have negative things to say about?
Oh, my God.
Wait, man, shut up. We're here.
This summer, Big Brother isn't just big. It's supersized. Oh my gosh, this is huge! With the most house guests ever. Wow! And not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 huge surprises. Big Brother, the new season premieres Thursday, July 12th on Global.
The 5-day Canada Wine Sale this holiday weekend at the Brick. Get 50% off the big Schmeckers brand names in Canada. 50% off seating Posturepedic. Get the seating Posturepedic Eurotop Sleep Set. 50% off. Only $5.99. The Springwell Chiropractic Eurotop featuring Aqua Gel. 50% off. Only $6.99. The Simmons Beauty Rest Foam Encased High Lock. Get on the bowling.
Don't distract him.
50% off. Only $9.99. And ask about our 90-day price guarantee for mattresses. Nobody beats the Brick.
Who's that, buddy? Hey, guys. Put your head down for me. Huh? Good boy. Put your head down.
Are you ready for your Saskatchewan staycation? Ready?
Buddy. Good boy. It's almost 5. I just had to do something else.